Every jersey has its own story. Kaya naman, are you ready to hear what's that tea? Samahan niyo akong alamin ang storya ng inyong idol outside the game. Ako si Jamaica Bayaka at ito ang Profiles. What's up, teammates? Ngayon ay excited akong ipakilala sa inyo ang guest natin for today dahil hindi lang siya atleta, kundi magaling din siyang rumampa. Sino kaya to? Walang iba kundi si Joy Dacoron. Hello, Joy!
Hi! Thank you so much for inviting me to be part of your segment today.
You're sobrang sexy.
Salamat po.
Ano bang secret? Paano mo maintain yung ganyang kagandang body and face? So, very, very Latina.
Actually, for me, hindi naman kailangan super yung pang mga iniisip ng mga tao na yun yung parang typical na thin ka or beautiful face ka. As long as you know how to manage, idalhin mo ang sarili mo in front of everybody. I think yan yung pinaka masasabi mong beauty and the sexy itself. Kasi kung paano mo dinala ang sarili mo, ganun din ang makikita ng iba. They will not judge you of who you are, but they will judge you of how you carry yourself.
Pero totoo ba yung sinasabi nila na isa sa mga major parang kailangan daw sa pagiging isang volleyball player ay matangkad? Paano naman yung mga taong gusto din pasukin yung pag-volleyball na hindi naman binigyan ng katangkaran, gano'n?
Actually, hindi talaga siya yung pinaka-requirement. Ang pinaka-requirement dito is you have that fighting spirit, you have that willing to learn attitude. Kasi ako, I started playing volleyball, as in wala talaga ako. Advantage lang yung may height ka, advantage lang yung maliksi ka, ganon. You have all the strength na kailangan for the sport na you play for. And I believe yung talent mo and skills mo sa sport is nade-develop mo siya and na-acquire mo siya along the way as long as you are very willing to learn.
Pero bago ka maging isang volleyball player, sino ba si Joy Dacoron?
Sino ba ako? I think 15 years ago, isa lang akong mahilig mag-aral. Kasi dati pinapangarap ko talaga maging accountancy student, ganun, accounting yung gusto kong course. And then nung nag-shift ako, kasi nakita ako sa isang pare sa amin, kasi mahilig ako magsimba. So nakita ako kasi sobrang tangkad ko. So in-offer nila sa akin if I'm willing to play sport na volleyball. So I don't have any background sa sport. So, nag-oo lang ako kasi as a probinsyana, especially pinakamalayong part ng Cebu, the Oslo of Cebu. So, pinaka-south siya. So, opportunity if you will be offered to play outside the Cebu, so Manila. So, I grabbed the opportunity kahit na I don't know what's the future ahead, and then here comes me. So, I think if naka-distant talaga sa'yo, all you have to do is be at present and believe in yourself.
Pero meron ka bang pinaka-hinahangaan or idol na volleyball player?
Dati nung pumasok ako sa sport, wala talaga. Sadyang, when I landed in Manila, doon yung minute ko yung mga teammates ko sa Adamson, doon ako na-amaze during the first training na, wow, ang lalakas nila, grabe, may ganun pala na sport. Na, I mean, sa probinsya kasi hindi ganun masyadong na-implement yung volleyball dati eh. Tapos nung pumunta ako sa Manila, sikat pala, and then here comes, may mga league na, UAAP, televised na, nakikita na. So, yun yung nagmo-motivate sa akin na open yung mind ko, yung interest ko doon sa sport na habang tumatagal, nagugustuhan ko yung sport. And before that, na nakaland ako sa professional league talaga. Nung college pa lang ako, ina-idolize ko talaga si Ate Pau Soriano. Senior ko siya dati sa Adamson University.
Ano namang masasabi mo sa mga ina-idolize ka rin? Na mga fans mo, gano'n?
Ayun, parang thank you. Nakakaiyak kasi hindi ko in-expect na darating ako sa point na to na iniidolo ako. Hindi lang yung sa larangan ng sport, but outside the sport and how I carry myself, how I inspire others, especially dun sa mga resiliency ng mga bagay na may pinagdadaanan ka. Lahat naman tayo may pinagdadaanan, and I'm very thankful na naging part ako sa volleyball community kasi for sure, madami sa mga nanunood or nagugustuhan ang volleyball na ito din yung parang isa sa mga escape away nila dun sa mga problema na meron sila na pag nanonood sila ng volleyball, pag naglalaro sila ng volleyball, they are at peace.
Bukod ba sa pagiging isang volleyball player, meron ka pa bang ibang pinagkakaabalahan outside volleyball, ganon?
Pinagkakabalahan right now, wala, pero interest madami. Like, dati panelist ako. At the same time, I tried business. Pero hindi pa siya kaya sa timeline na meron ako ngayon. So ngayon, nagpo-focus muna ako sa volleyball. Pag may mga spare time, I go to orphanage kasi tumutulong din ako, nag-inspire din ako ng mga kabataan doon.
Aside from being volleyball player, you're also a beauty queen. So last year, sumali ka sa isang national pageant.
So I joined Binibining Pilipinas kasi talaga siya ng papa ko. And naging pangarap ko na din siya. And then it was a great experience, lalo na dami mga girls na kasalamuha. And it inspired me also to be empowered women, to inspire others also.
What made you decide na pasukin yung pageantry world? Kasi nga, di ba, busy ka sa pagiging volleyball player. So paano mo napagsabay yung time mo sa pagiging isang beauty queen at sa pagiging isang volleyball player?
Honestly, talaga siya commitment talaga siya. I stopped playing volleyball for a month para mag-focus lang sa pageantry, para matutunan yung mga pasarela. Madami and everything, lalo na yung mga how you will present yourself, the grooming self. So, I stopped playing volleyball that time. And I joined pageantry kasi before, parang okay lang, play. Laro ako, yan lang ang character na meron si Joy. But when I get out from my comfort zone, I realize madami pa palang bagay na pwede kang maging inspirasyon. And it's a good platform for me also to jump in pageantry. Kasi as an athlete, sometimes you forget na parang very inspirational ka pala. So kasi wala kang kumpiyansa sa sarili mo eh. But nung nag-join ako sa pageantry, mas nakilala ko ang sarili ko na I have something pala to offer to the community that can help them also mold themselves and be inspirable.
Meron ka bang beauty queen din na hinahangaan sa ngayon?
Sa ngayon, I really admire Catriona Gray and Pia Wurtzbach. Grabe yung mga pinagdadaanan nila. Of course, lalayo pa ba tayo? Doon na tayo sa mga recent Miss Universe title holder natin dito sa Philippines. So
yun, speaking of pageant, meron akong ready dito mga pageant questions.
Wait lang. Kailangan natin ng preparation.
Kayang-kaya mo to. Okay. First question, are you ready?
Not yet, but I need to be.
Candidate number 5, because you're number 5. My first question, what is the greatest contribution of women in the world? Again, what is the greatest contribution of women in the world? Your timer starts now.
I believe they play a very important role, especially in the family. I really admire my mother. My mother really helped us, and a big contribution to who I am right now and to my siblings, because they nurture us, give us the nutrients, the care, the love that we also share to other people. And I believe without women, we cannot be a peaceful and a good earth or community. Sorry, hindi po prepared.
Hindi pa siya prepared.
Binomba po tayo.
Okay, for your second question, how do you define success?
Personally, I'll be turning 30 this year. I realize success is a personal piece and how you make yourself happy of where you are right now. It's okay to dream, it's okay to aspire a lot of things, but if you are not at present, you are not enjoying, especially the community you are with, the people you are with, surround with, you will not find that success. And very broad yung success, but to make it more personal, success is having a peace in yourself, knowing that you did all your best during that day and to end that day right.
Thank you so much, Joy. Grabe, ang dami kong natutunan sa'yo. Maraming salamat. Sobrang witty mo pala talaga. Hindi lang maganda, hindi lang sexy, sobrang talido.
Naku, life is beautiful. Ganun lang talaga. I-share ko na lang sa'yo.
Kaya naman, teammates, dito muna natatapos ang episode natin for today. Ako po si Jamaica Bayapa at magkita-kita tayo sa next episode ng Promo.